Hi friends, there is a new update in the UAN number. Usually in the past service history, if new employer search your UAN number, your UAN service history, at the time only they can come to know. They need to copy your UAN number and paste in PF portal so that they can able to view your past service history. But now the new update is auto notification is triggered by your previous employer service history, which means your previous employer will not notify to new employer. PF account notifying to new employer about your past service history. So which means usually if you got selected, they will ask your UAN number. Even though if you don't give your UAN number, based on your Aadhaar card, they may identify your UAN number, that we know. And once they copy your UAN number and paste it in PF service history, they can able to search your past service history. Okay, this is what they can able to view your past service history, or once they created PF account also they can able to view your past service history. So this is the two options. New employer can able to view your past service history through PF account. So this is what happened in the past life, but now the auto notification is triggered by PF portal without your knowledge, without employer knowledge, without new employer knowledge, and without your knowledge. There is an alert triggered by PF portal. They can come to know wherever you worked your past service history. We know we have been receiving too many calls. There are people talking about short duration, absconded, terminations. Though they will hide it, they will try to hide it. However, in the PF account, they cannot hide it. So in this situation, without your knowledge, without your previous employer knowledge or current employer knowledge, PF portal triggering the alert to new employer, so which is called auto transfer process. Once you relieved from your past organization, whether you have proper relief letter, whether you don't have proper relief letter, whether you absconded, terminated, even though whatever happened in your past employer, assume that your past employer is company A and newly joined company is company B. In company B, they are getting the auto trigger in the PF portal from company A to transfer the amount from company A to company B. Okay, this is what happening. You can stop it, this process. If you have any clarifications, welcome to connect with me. If you face any background verification related problems, definitely I will help you. My mail ID and UPI ID is available. You need to pay the consulting fee. If you are ready to pay the consulting fee, you can interact with me. Otherwise, don't drop mail to me. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, and always give support to our channel. Thank you.